I think I messed up. Wait, let me rephrase that. I think I just found the secret to making money on YouTube. Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics on the internet, how to make money on YouTube. Whether you're looking to turn your passion into profit or just curious about how creators are cashing in, this video is for you. First things first, what does it take to make money on YouTube? The basics are pretty simple. You need a YouTube channel, an audience, and content that people want to watch. But how do these translate into cash? Let's break it down. YouTube offers several monetization options, but the most common way creators earn money is through ads. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows YouTube to place ads on your videos, and you earn a share of the revenue. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, start creating, keep engaging, and watch those numbers grow. Until next time, happy creating.